All right, everyone, welcome back for the week of December 15th. Another edition of What's New with Newman. Taking a look at what we're doing this week in our science class. We're going to take you into the Moodle page here. And we're going to take a deeper look at what we would call the geologic timescale this week. So, we started off last week, or ended last week rather, with taking a look at this Earth making of a planet. That Earth making of a planet was part of what we would call the Precambrian era, which accounts for about 87% of all of Earth history. Is just Earth getting made, moon, water, life forming, all of those essential things we needed to have a functioning planet like the one that we have today. Then we will advance on that and go into the next era of geologic time, which we're going to call the Paleozoic era. And we're going to actually watch this video called Walking with Monsters. And we're going to pause the video often and take a look at the different parts of the Paleozoic era. So when the video first starts out, it's going to have a little counter up here in the video. And I'm going to play it just so you can see what I'm talking about. Let me get to that part here for you. It's right here. So it's going to have this counter that's going to pop up here in just a moment. And it's going to give you each time sort of what the environment is like. And I want you to write down the information about the environment. And maybe we're missing the counter here. Should pop up. Oh, I think it's coming. Maybe not. It's hard to tell where the slider is. I want it to show you. Maybe I have to back it up here. Right there, 530 million years ago. So that's what you're going to add to your journal. As the video plays, in this section, you're going to write Walking with Monsters as a title in your journal. You're going to label this Paleozoic era. And you're going to pause the video when it flashes to a certain time. And for this one, it'll be 530 million years ago. And you're going to start by sketching the jellyfish. And it's going to show you every major animal. And you want to draw the animal to the best of your ability. And then just sort of put labels around the animal that describe its characteristics. And also don't forget to write down the information that it tells you about the environment. You're going to do this for both plants and for animals. And eventually, as you go further into the video, you'll see this counter that looks like this. I'm going to let this play. It's going to count down, and when it pauses, you want to sketch the animal that's there. You do not have to write the name of these animals. The names aren't important, but their features and characteristics are. So it pauses right here, and that's actually a 1. 418 million years ago. You can just write MYA for millions of years ago. And then I'm going to start by sketching this fish, and then as it talks about that weird looking fish, I'm going to put labels around it that describe what's going on. And one of the things that pops up and says all life is still in the water at this point, and so I'm going to write that down in my journal, what's going on in the environment. And then other animals will pop up, and I'll sketch them, and then I'm going to label those. All right, so we're going to process through most of this video until we get to about right here. So you're not watching the whole thing. And you can skip forward, and you can kind of skip around on that as well. Then we're going to end the week by going into the next assignment. So I'm going to go back and show you that real quick. This is where you would pause the video so you can get that first part done. We're going to end the week into Thursday and Friday. We're going to go down and look at this Understanding Geologic Time. And you're basically going to take a look at the Mesozoic era, and you're going to take a look at the Cenozoic era. And this will describe what you're doing. You're going to research those two eras on your own. You're going to take sketch notes in your journal. You're going to list 3 living things, 1 from the beginning, 1 from the middle, 1 from the end. 3 events, something that happened at the beginning of that era, something that happened in the middle, something at the end. Reminder, these eras go for hundreds of millions of years, so you need to kind of split it up into chunks. And here's are the websites that you can use for your research. You can pick whatever website you want, or you can do a combination of all the websites. That's fine too. And then in the next assignment, so that we can begin to build what I like to call a community of learners, you're going to upload you're going to upload your sketch notes, take a picture with your Chromebook, and you're going to upload them by adding a discussion topic, label it by the era, I'm going to write Mesozoic, and I'm going to use this picture, browse, you guys will go upload, choose recent, and you're going to find in your downloads or in your picture folders over here, find that picture of your journal, open the picture, and then it will let you upload the picture right here. You can click no description necessary or description not necessary, save image, and it'll put it in this box right here for you, and then you can hit post to form. You're not responding to anybody. You're just posting it so other people can look at your work and hopefully gain an understanding of how you did it that then can better help them. And then you'll do the same thing for Cenozoic. You'll go back, you'll add a new discussion, write Cenozoic era right here, upload your notes, and we should be good to go. All right, so that's how we're going to finish out the week. Have any questions? Remember to send an email, rewatch the video, take a look at the directions, make sure you read through them first. And then if you're not understanding something after that, be sure to let me know and we will help you out. All right, so this is our last video before we hit Christmas break. So wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, however you celebrate, spend time with family. And we'll see you all back, hopefully refreshed after the new year.